Hello, my name is Vartika and I am a software engineer and meet my husband.
My name is Vinay, and I'm also a software engineer. For this living room, we spend around 3 lakhs. Yeah, our first priority was like we didn't wanted anything which will hit our eyes. Everything should be soothing. We didn't wanted to have like a hotel. We wanted to have like a home. So that was the first priority. Here, builder has given only a small wall, if you see. So we took that to our designer, and we wanted to have a big TV. We planned to have it here, there, everywhere we planned, and then we thought of extending this and then putting the TV there. All the lights are like we planned it the day we started. We wanted the light here. We wanted a light for dining table. So here we planned for dining table.
I can take you to my kitchen. Let's come and see how my kitchen has turned out. So this is my beautiful pure white kitchen. I wanted this kitchen as a white with the black countertop, so that's what I got. It is not just beautiful, it is practical as well. I've got the stall unit done, and this is all where my pantry will be there. And then we have crockery unit at the corner so that it can accommodate at most all of my crockery. These I have got two open units as well, just to be practical and have the material that is easy to get and that is of continuous use. The kitchen costed approx 4 lakhs. So yeah, that's what my kitchen costed, but yeah, it has turned out really beautiful. I wanted my kitchen to be well lit. I have preferred an under sink RO for my kitchen so that everything is neat and clean, and I don't want any appliances to hanging in here or there. I have it here at the bottom cabinet here. I have kept all my appliances here, and nothing of the rolling shutter or something like that because it would occupy my countertop. So I wanted a clean and blank countertop for that. So next we can come to our first bedroom, that is our guest room. Before that, we can look at this foyer area. We have undergone a lot of thought process along with our interior designer for this foyer. It turned out to be beautiful. We have also installed a sensor so that anybody elderly or kid also, if at night they want to come in living room or use the washroom, so there's no issue of lighting and all. This arch design was not given by the builder per se. This was our idea, and we also discussed it with our designer, and that's how we achieved this. Now we can move into the first bedroom. That is our guest room. Also has our mandir. So this cost for this room was approx 1 lakh because we did the minimalistic here. It is a guest room, and so we wanted just a cupboard and some open shelves. We can move to our kids room next. It has turned out to be beautiful, and my daughter loves it a lot.
Basically, for this room, this is the well thought room. We had a lot of undulation. If you see here, there was an undulation, and I wanted her to be like have a space where she can play without harming herself. So we wanted a ladder. So we hidden the undulation here, and she can like go through this ladder. And here the plan is to have all these like kids proof, so that if she falls from there, she will not get injured. And then everything is well thought. If you see this particular fall ceiling is also well thought, because in future once kid will grow, we want this room also to grow. So here one wardrobe will come in future, and that is why this fall ceiling design is in a way so that I don't have to change the fall ceiling later on. So that was part 2. This costed us around 1.5, and if you see this wall, we wanted this wall like a way like it should not be very kiddish if she will grow, and we should be able to change it within like 4 or 5 years if you want to change it by just changing the paint and etc.
So as kids like to scribble on the walls and all, so we have just kept a wall separate for her to scribble as much as she wants, and she enjoys it too. To be honest, it was not of Pinterest inspiration. It is his thought basically, and it was his thought that she should get a whole wall to write it on, and then the top one, it was my wish to have some beautiful landscape painting done, but as there was this undulation in the wall, so we went with this cute wallpaper done, and along with that, these arches. So we can take you to our master bedroom now.
And while going there, we would like to show this wall of fame.
We have planned a family wall here. The pictures are yet to come, but yeah, this is going to be our family wall, and we'll have some focus lights. Welcome to our master bedroom. This is what our vision looks like. It costed us around 3.5 lakhs, but nevertheless, it has turned out too beautiful. I think beyond our expectations, right?
Yeah, basically, this has the challenge from the start. If you see, this room is 12 and this is 14, and builder has given the bed headboard towards this side. So we wanted to have it this side because that way it will give us the space for a wardrobe, and that was the need. Then I wanted like a private space, a private wardrobe. At least for me, half of this portion is occupied by Vartika, and half of this I wanted to have my private wardrobe, and that is one. And then I thought, like, whoever will give me this better design for this, I'll finalize that interior company. That was my priority. And if you see this one, this is kind of dressing table, but if second person is also working, because both of us mostly work from home, so we can use this one as a study table. And then to achieve what we wanted for this was the niche that was given by builder, and the depth was kind of this, and in that we came up with the plan to have a study table, and there we created a false partition. If you see this, we already had our furnitures, and we wanted the color scheme of this whole house should be aligned with that, so that we don't have to purchase a new furniture. Like in the long term we can purchase, but at least not for now. So this is the old furniture. So all the color scheme and everything that he designed was like close to that or in the same color family. And one more thing, like if you see all these doors, right, whatever the color that was given by the builder, it was not looking good. Yeah, to be honest, it was not looking good. So the day we got the keys, so even if thinking about other designing things, we thought of changing this color. So we changed this color, and this is where our designer has suggested, like, go with these kind of colors. And then we had to change the handles as well, because whatever handles that was given, that was not going with that color. So these kind of tweaks have happened.
Beautiful milestone we have achieved together in our life, as it's our first home together. So thanks for visiting us, and we had a pleasure having you here with us. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.